Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahir Mamen and my ID is 173352213. I am from Department of Software Engineering, Daffodil International University. The title of my research is Image Classification Using Deep Learning Techniques. I am supervised by Mr. Kaushik Sarkar, Assistant Professor and Associate at Department of Software Engineering, Daffodil International University. Let me talk about the outlines in my presentation. At first, I talk about the introduction, objectives, then goals, social impact, outcomes, and finally, I talk about my contributions. Here is the my research introduction. Nowadays, image classification is growing and becoming a trend among technology developers, especially with the growth of data in different parts of industry such as the e-commerce, automotive, gaming and healthcare. The most obvious example of this technology is applied for Facebook. Now Facebook can detect up to 98% accuracy in order to identify our face with only few take image and classify it into our Facebook albums. Here is my research objectives. The main objectives in this paper, we explore study of image classification using deep learning. The conventional method used for image classifying is part and piece of the field of artificial intelligence, formerly called as machine learning. The image classification is to identify and portray as a unique gray level the feature occurring in an image in terms of object of type or type of land cover these features actually represent on the ground. Then image classification is perhaps the most important part of digital image analysis. Now I talk about my future goals in my research. Image segmentation. It separates the object based on sub threshold values. Visual search. It allows the user to search for similar images or product in their reference images. Imaga Visual Search API enables. It implements the image-based search into their software system and application. Digital shopping. It creates the digital shopping experience. Now I talk about the social impact. The user will be able to purchase similar product from various e-commerce sites in a very short time. User can easily track friends in different social sites. It can be play a very important role to identifying the criminals. Now I talk about the outcomes in my research. It allows user to search for similar images or product using the reference images. It will be save the user's time. We will get software in less time. Now I talk about my contribution and this is the last part in my presentation topics. At first, I want to make a framework to get the result. And framework will create a benchmark for learning algorithms uh, and for large scale image classifications. The time will be reduced in the system. It's all about for my presentation. Thank you so much for watching me. Assalamu alaikum.